Hello everyone, I am Punyakirti B. Welcome to my Python for Generative AI learning series. In this series, we are focusing on Python basics that will help us to build a strong foundation for implementing generative AI concepts. So let's dive in and start today's session. Today's session is Python dictionaries, which is advanced topics like removing items, set operations, and iteration over sets. Let's start with some introductions. So dictionaries in Python are versatile data structures that store data as key value pairs. Often you may need to remove items, compare dictionaries, or iterate over their contents. This session will cover removing items from dictionaries, performing set operations on dictionary keys, iterating over dictionary keys, values, and key value pairs. These techniques help manage and organize data efficiently, especially in projects involving configurations or large datasets. Let's start with first topic, removing items from dictionary. Python provides several methods to remove items from dictionaries. Choosing the right one depends on whether you need the removed value or simply want to delete a key. Let's start with first topic called dict.pop. It has key and default value as a parameter. It will remove the specified key from the dictionary and return its value. If the key does not exist, without a default value raises a key error. With a default value returns the default instead of raising an error. Here we have examples. Let's try with that examples in our code editor. So this is my code editor. We have a dictionary called data with h as a key and city as a key and values. So h value is equal to data.pop.h. So if I print h dot value, print data, so the value it will print or what it will do, let's see. So when I run this, automatically it should remove 30. 30 is the value, that means H key is removed. Currently we have city and Paris. So before removing the key, what the value will be there and what it will remove and all we can understand again running this one. So you are able to see before we have H30 city Paris. I removed the key H key and return the value of 30, and now the key has the data dictionary has city and Paris. So handling missing values. Now what I will do, I will use country is equal to data.pop as country and default value as not found I am sending. So when I run this, you are able to see I got not found. So in this way we can handle the missing ones. So next one is dict.popitem. It removes and returns last inserted key value pair as tuple. So useful when working with dictionary in a last in first out order. So I will take this example. First we will print all the examples and we can understand. Now we are able to see. So data. So what I will do, I will print data. So once it is printed, this is the dictionary with the data. So C is the last item it is added. So last item is equal to data dot pop item. So I will print the last item. So then after that I will print the data. Now you can see what happens. So before the data contains like this. This is the dictionary we contains. So last item is C colon 3. So pop item remove the C key C with value 3 and currently we have 1. So when I again run, same value will be printed. So this is the way how we can remove the last item using pop item function. So next one is delete dict of key. Deletes a key value pair by specifying the key. Raises a key error if the key does not exist. Use when you do not need the removed value. So how to do that? We can see the example here. So I will use code. So data is equal to like this. So I will print data what exactly the value contains. Then I will use a delete key. So delete statement with the data of city. So we are removing the city key, and when I run, so before we have city key and that value with Paris, now it is removed. So using delete statement we can remove the particular key. Okay, now we have a tip. Choose pop if you need the value, delete if you just want to remove the key, and pop item for LIFO style remover. These are the things which we are able to see the remove items from the dictionary. Next one is set operations on dictionary keys. Dictionary keys behave like sets, which allows us to perform set operations like intersection, union, and difference. This is especially useful when comparing configurations. So now I have an example with finding common keys. Okay, I want to find a common keys between two configurations. Now I have a config A, config A, B. So optimizer, optimize batch size, and epoch and learning rate are there. So I want to find common keys from config keys and config B keys. So when I run this, so config B has only optimizer and batch size. Both are the common keys which are available in config and config B. So this is the real use case which can be used to do set operations on dictionaries keys. So this, so we did this one. So use case is quickly identify shared hyperparameters or configuration setting across multiple models. Let's go with next topic, iterating over dictionaries. Python provides simple ways to iterate through keys, values or key value pairs. So iterating over key, how to do that? So what I will do, I will take like this. So we know config A it is there which has optimizer, batch size and epochs. So for key in config A, print key of key. So when I try this, only key values like optimizer, batch size and epochs we got. These are the keys available in config A. So in this way we can iterating over only keys. Next one is iterating over values. So how to do that? Just taking config a dot values and that will come to value and I am printing the values. Now config a has values like Adam 32 epochs 10. So we are getting that values. This is the way how to we can iterate over through the dictionary using values. Now I want to iterate over key value pairs. So what I will do, I can use for loop with config a dot items. So items will load each and key value pair. Then I can print each and key value pair like this. Optimizer add Adam and batch size 32 epochs. So this is the statement how to can iterate over key value pairs. Note, using items is the most versatile as it gives both the key and value in one step. Let's wrap up and best practices. So use pop when you need removed value, delete when you just want deletion, and pop item for LIFO style removal. Treat dictionary keys like sets to simplify comparison between dictionaries. Iterating with keys, values, or items allows flexible access to dictionary contents. These methods make it easier to manage configurations, datasets, or any structured data in Python. So let's recap. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to remove items from a dictionary safely using pop, pop item and delete statements. Use set operations to compare dictionary keys. Iterate up efficiently over dictionary keys, values, and key value pairs. Apply these skills to manage and organize data in Python projects. So, thank you for watching today's session. This is part of Python for Generative AI learning series. If you find this helpful, please subscribe to my channel for more videos. Also, feel free to connect with me on LinkedIn. The link is in description. See you in the next session. Thank you very much.